Okay, so this is the third sector of our livelihood and business opportunity. So this is the most exciting part because most of you prefers to have your own business or create your own venture. So the dream that you've been after has the potential of being a real one, and you can achieve this through Passport Turtles. So, what kind of business are we talking about? So, this is not just an ordinary traditional business. We are focusing more on sustainable tourism and impact travel. Okay? So, to make it short, for example, you are based in Brazil or you're based in Indonesia. If you are a part of Passport Turtles, the platform and the community will check on your country and what is your potential to make not only revenue but also to make a big impact on your country, on your community, on your society, as well as maybe it could also help some environmental. Okay, so we will guide you with that. And for now, we are focusing on a few countries here in Asia. One in Southeast Asia, and another one is in East Asia. But don't worry for those who are not based in those regions. We will tackle also other regions all over the world. So if you're from Europe or the Americas or Oceania or even Africa, everyone can join and be supported by our supportive and engaging community. Okay? So, we will also send you different ideas and opportunities, not just from our AI model, but from our huge network of experts and those who have been there, those who were successful creating startups and businesses from their areas. Okay? So, more to this as we move along.